And this is Nick from G3 Agency. I wanted to send you this quick website audit. As you recall, when we spoke today, I had mentioned I can give you a few things that you can do yourselves that would make you more visible, better SEO, better coming up in search results. Anyway, looking at your site, the nice thing is you've got to click the call here, which is great. Now, Google looks at content. We like about 2,000 words on the home page. You probably have a few hundred, so that's something you definitely want to improve. Also, Google doesn't look at images, but looks at the file names in which you save images. So when I say save image as, you see that? It's just the ISM logo. There's no keywords there. Same thing down here, like this one, maybe you set this up as personal insurance or personal insurance Maine. When I go to save it, it's just a car. So you definitely want to make some changes there as far as what's going on content-wise. Again, 2,000 words on the main page, home page, about 1,000 words or more on each of the other pages. Now, let's take a look at something here very quickly that I just want to show you. If I do a search in Google for commercial insurance on Maine, after the ads, this is the map pack. I could show you how to get there. We'll save that for another conversation, but you definitely get some business being in the Google map pack. Hartford, I'm going to skip over. They're fairly large, but what I'm going to compare you with here is this Hiscox insurance. So this is one of the sites that comes up pretty darn quickly on top for commercial insurance in Maine, okay? So let's do this. Let's go to this tool that we have. This tool is called Ahrefs. It's about $600 a month. And what it does is it analyzes keywords. What keywords are people typing in? How difficult are they to rank for? And where are you and where's your competition? Okay. So looking here, you've got 7 organic keywords. That's nothing right now. Click on that. You've got the insurance source, 80 monthly volume, right? You're in position 20. Even that being your name almost, you could greatly improve upon. That's probably an easy one because you should be getting more than, oh, I'm sorry, yeah, more than 0.2. You're not getting any. Being in position 20, page 2, you're getting no traffic from that word, okay? So that's one I would look at. Now let's look at the, probably pronouncing it wrong, Hiscox. They've got, and again, I know they're all over the place. We're just looking at Maine, but they've got 34,000 some odd keywords, okay? Look at the traffic that's coming into their site every month. Even if we can raise yours from basically nothing to 100, 200, I think that would help depending on your close rate. Let's look at some of their keywords. So the nice thing that we can do is we can take these same keywords and build them into content that you're going to have. So let's click here. These ones with their brand name, Hiscox, Login, Insurance, you can see the volume. You could still put those in your site, but they'd be part of what's known as on-site SEO. People wouldn't see it. Now let's go back to look at some of the other keywords. Small business insurance, 11,000 volume. Now the keyword difficulty goes from 1 to 100. The higher, the more difficult. This is a difficult keyword. They're in position 3, but just from this one keyword, look at the traffic that they're getting. Let's look at something else. Personal liability insurance. Now you can start to see this, right? Business insurance. I'm getting an idea of what sort of traffic they're getting. Let's try this one. I'm going to try this on the fly. Commercial insurance Maine. Now you can see some of these words here. The volume isn't that great. So you really want to be looking at keywords that have a large volume of searches, at least a couple hundred per month. So besides content, and building in proper keywords, there's some other things you can do as well, but that's kind of just a piece for right now. Looking at the rest of your site, moving around, I'd want to look at this in mobile. It seems that a lot of the information up here is pretty small, might be difficult to see over a telephone, keeping in mind that's how most people search. Everything you have down here, auto, home, boat, these should all open up at new pages. You want to make a lot of content. You want to look like a subject matter expert to Google. So that's what I would recommend right now. Updating your content, increasing your content, especially on the home page, and then starting to put in what we call backlinks, which are links from other sites of those keywords that I've showed you, so you can start to gain some traffic that way. We'll be talking with you tomorrow. Hope you had a chance to see this. And thank you. Thank you very much for allowing me the opportunity to do this for you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.